Hey guys, I was been showing you about my dog. He likes to get Bone Street, so I'm going to show my dog himself. Jerry, so I'm going to give it to him. Sometimes I give him Bone Street cookies. Sometimes he just dig it. The other time I tried to get it, but it disappeared. I think my dog has magic. Oh my god. What do you want now? I'm gonna give you a treat. What is it? Huh. He's trying to get it to water, but I'm gonna go ahead. That's his little plants. I just water him all day. Now I'm just putting this over here. He's so heavy. There we go, and just take off the leaf. You don't like the leaf. And go ahead and turn this fountain. Oh my god, it's fallen. It just fall there. Where water puts his plants to grow. There, just do it. Quickly. Just turn it off. Oh, he's winking.
Ven, Octavio, vamos a comprar una paleta. Llévanos al entonces. A ver.
Está poniendo. Jeje. Just chilling out, right? Listening to the birds sing out. That's Abados, my friend's house. Seriously. Well, I hope you enjoy it, guys. Please subscribe if you like this channel. So, yeah. Bye.